Good morning. Myself Krishnand Senapati, and I am represent here the magnetic storage. And you should know magnetic storage is a very large, vast syllabus. I am representing the hard drive only, and my main focus is hard drive. Magnetic storage. Magnetic storage is the storage of data on a magnetized medium. Magnetic storage uses different pattern of magnetization in a magnetizable material to store data and is a form of non-volatile memory. What is the non-volatile memory? It's a type of memory that can retain stored information even after power is removed. The information is accessed using one or more read-write heads, and further discussion I will describe how read-write heads is occur. It is how data is stored on a device like hard drive, which is the device people use to store documents, audios, videos in their computers. It is the process of magnetization on the region represent different signal which are further translate into the data, that means binary digit 1 and 0 that user can understand. History of this magnetic storage in the form of audio recording on a wire was published by Oberlin Smith in September 8, 1888. Issues of electrical work. Smith had previously filed a patent in September 1878 but found no opportunity to pursue the idea as his business was machine tools. The first published demonstrated magnetic recorder was invented by Vladimir Paulson in 1898. Paulson's device recorded a signal on a wire wrapped around a drum. In 1928, Fritz Plummer developed the first magnetic tape recorder. Early magnetic storage devices were designed to record analog audio signal. Computers and now most audio and video magnetic storage devices record the digital data. And here is the hard drive, and there is different part of hard drive. First part is read write head, actuator R, motor of the actuator R, motor of the disk and disk. Read and write head. Consider the part of read write head. It I have that I have one hard drive and I try to open it, and this hard drive is look like this. This is the head of read write, and this if I zoom it, then I can find as this. Sorry, I can find as this, and this is the function of magnetization. Okay, and here to control the read write head, there is a actuator R, and to control this R along a radius of a particular part of disk, there is a motor of the actuator R. And this, if I open this actuator arm, this is a magnet, and there is a coil between two magnets slide, which help after flowing of current, there is creation of magnetic field. And the main part of hard drive is a disk, and this disk is rotate through the motor of the disk, which is known as spindle. And these disks have the plenty or millions number of blocks, and these blocks said us about the data, and this blocks is the sign of north pole, and the means orientation of north pole. If I consider this north pole along the left edge one, then that other orientation of toward right is I can symbol as 0, and this orientation represent as the digitally 1 and 0, that is our binary number, and how it is record data and how it is read data. This is the basic on how write and read. Okay, then first I explain how write. How write means how it collect, how it add data. There is two type, one is write, another is read. Write means how it add data, read means how it collect data. The head have three work. One is add data, one is uh, uh, it can change data, and another is read data. How it write? When head go through the disk, it can add its binary digit according to the orientation on the disk. डिस्क में जैसे ओरिएंटेशन होता है वैसे वो उसको बाइनरी डिजिट में कन्वर्ट करके उसको ये एक सीरीज में कन्वर्ट कर लेता है एंड वो एक सीरीज फिजिकली एक फोटो म्यूजिक एंड वीडियो में कन्वर्ट होता है. दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ राइट एंड समटाइम्स इट कैन operate the and change its data according to the photos, medias, and videos. And how it read according to the data on given on disk, the head first recognize its orientation, and according to that orientation it read its data. If there is 0 1, then it pick up, then 0, then it pick up and add a and make a particular number series of binary digits, that is 1 and 0. Suppose I make a photo and this photo is have a number of millions of bit, that is 10, and for a particular photo there is a particular series of binary digit. For a different photo, for a different video, for a different document, there is a different of millions of bits. What is the future? A new type of magnetic storage called magnetoresistive random access memory, that is mRNA, is being produced that stores data in magnetic bits based on the tunnel magnetoresistance effect. What is the MRM? What is the use of MRM? When we operating a system, this MRM is conscious about the current application, the current work. This is short memory storage, the space for the computer to place data it's currently working on, so it's a yearly accessible. What is the mean of tunnel magnetoresistance? Listen, here is the disk. This is not only operating from upper side, it also operating from lower side, and this disk is the this such as sandwich. What is the mean of sandwich? That upper and lower layer is covered with ferromagnetic, that is Fe2O3, and middle part is middle part is as insulator. And due to the three different layers, there is some magnetized effect is developed, that is tunnel magnetoresistance. Its advantage is volatility. I already said what is the non-volatility. Low power uses, that means using of less current. It can work very efficiently. The first generation that was developed and produced by Everspin Technologies. Everspin is a company names and utilize field inducing writing. First inducing, there is only one type of collecting data, that was reading, but now it can be writing and changes its data by the use of hard disk. The second generation is being developed through two approaches, that is thermal assisted switching, which is currently being developed by Crocus technology. What is the thermal assisted switching? By the using of hard disks for a long time,
Krishna,
there
wrap
is,
up quickly.
yes sir, there
Hmm.
is a some heat producing, and that heat reduce the work of read and writing capacity. But the Crocus technology, that but the Crocus company make that resistivity, make the thermal assisting of the disk become rising, so there is no any reducible of data on read or write on the on through the hard disk. And spin transfer torque, that means spin transfer torque means the spinning of the rotatory of disk becomes so perfectively, so that any data can left by the disk. And these two phenomena work on the Crocus, Hynix, IBM, and several other companies are working. 6-state MRM is also being developed, echoing for 4-bit multi-level flash memory cell that has 6 different bit as approaches to 2. Binary there is approaches of 1 0, but now it can be, or in future it can be able of 4-bit multi-level or 6-bit multi-level. It will be very fantastic. Research is also being done by Alkesh Kimmel at Radboud University toward the possibility of using terahertz radiation rather than using standard electropulse for writing data on magnetic storage media. Terahertz radiation means there is to avoid lagging of time, such as no time between processor and collecting data. This is our future achievement. Thank you.
So you are interested in magnetic storage for research?
Yes, sir.
And we have a very good team, like Professor Roy is working on this storage material,
Okay, sir.
and energy storage material Professor Mohapatra is also working. So
Yes,
you
sir.
will get a good chance if you are interested in that area.
Yes,
You
sir.
have said something like 4 beat, 4 level.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Do you
sir.
know what they are?
Sir, in BSc there are some of 4 bit,
4
but
beat is
there is
different.
no
4
about six.
level, 6 level, these are different thing.
Sir, very
Any
different. But
idea?
I no, sir, nothing I did.
So,
Just only for future ways I replace it.
okay,
Uh,
okay. ठीक है. Thank you.
thank you.
Next.
Thank you, sir.